y'all know Mr. Lee, Mr. Home Improvement himself. I just got a call today, guys. So I got this property management group. They want us to do a PPM on this property. We're gonna walk around the property. We're gonna see what's wrong. We're gonna try to see what we can do to upscale these guys. Once we do that, we're gonna present them with an estimate. Once we present them with the estimate, then we're gonna see if they approve. They approve. They want to get it done. So we're gonna make it happen, y'all. So y'all come do this walkthrough with me. We're gonna go probably to 1 or 2 apartments, and then we're gonna go from there. Let's do this walkthrough, y'all. We're trying to upscale, man. We try to do something big for 2026. So we out here doing epoxy countertops, epoxy floors, shower walls, HVAC, plumbing, drywall. We're doing it all. So if y'all interested, give us a call. Mr. Lee, Mr. LFS, Mr. Home Improvement, we're doing it for you. Think about it, get back with me. I'm over here now, I'm checking out their hallway in the building. Of course, they have multiple tenants in here. You know, the walls got kind of dirty. You know, I'm really dirty. Y'all talking about COVID and all of that. This is COVID got written all over it. We're definitely gonna be cleaning that up, painting it, getting it done for them. As y'all can see with these walls are bad patch jobs. This is not what LFS do. We do better. We do 10 times better. You don't see none of this. So we're gonna probably paint this wall. We're gonna probably get rid of these little patch jobs that they did. We're gonna make it happen. Make the hallway smell good. Make it smell like I wanna come home. You know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do. If y'all come with me outside, I'm gonna show y'all on the side of the building a couple of things that I seen that was kind of bad. That's gonna kind of hinder the building in the long run. So come on with me, y'all. All right, guys, we're still in the hallway area. I noticed something when I was coming down. When I was coming down, I noticed that this floor in this hallway area is a little slippery. The reason being behind that is because you have outside hot air and inside this hallway it's a little cool. So those two air combined, it creates a slippery slope. So it feels like we're on ice cream. I can slide around in here. But the only way to prevent that from happening is we have to put like a dehumidifier out here, which they don't have any outlets in the hallway. So what we will recommend to them is we try to open up a window, we try to put some type of ventilation in this area to where we get some fan circulating so that water and that moisture moves around so these floors don't be so slick. But that's about it. So let's check outside. All right, y'all, so we came outside, man. So like I said, we're doing a PPM, man. So PPM is property preventative maintenance. So we came outside to even see like the foundation of the building, which I'm gonna let the owners of them know that, okay, once it rains and rain hits the building, it's going inside of the ground. By it going inside of the ground, it's creating some type of malfunction to the concrete downstairs in the basement. Once it creates that downstairs in the basement, boom, it's a leak. We don't want that. So therefore, what we do is we come out, we see something like this, we get rid of all of the dead concrete that broke off of there, and then we put some more stuff on there. I can't tell y'all what we put on there because I can't give y'all my secrets. But we get you right. So that way you don't have any foundation issues, as well as what I do see. That's a big major thing about buildings and homes, the grass. The grass, y'all see what's going on with that grass. It's looking real bad right now. So we got a crew that comes out. Our crew comes out, we get the grass cut up, you know, we make the house, we make the apartment, we make the condos look really nice, elegant. Bring it upscale. Even though we're in a South Shore neighborhood, what difference does that make? All of the city of Chicago should look nice, man. So we're gonna keep going, man. I got another little issue that I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take y'all around the block and show y'all the other end of the building. So y'all stay with me. All right, y'all, so this will be the final thing that I've seen on the building, which is that, as y'all can see on the facial of the building, y'all can see the tin on the building. It's not really tin, it's kind of black, but we do power washing. So we power wash that, we make the building look nice again, you know, because that's just dirt and, you know, build up from dirt and rain and snow and people opening up their windows and dust and debris that goes on the building. So we power wash that. Once we power wash that, we get it back nice. Like I said, y'all, PPMs is a must. Y'all need it every year, man. So get with us, shoot me an email, call us. Mr. Lee, L.F.S. Home Improvement, we're here for you. Let us know what y'all want to do. What's going on, guys? times. So we just did our last inspection. Like I say, we did a whole inspection on the building, even though this is probably like an 8 to 12 unit building. They'll be getting a estimate from us within like a day or so. So once we get the approval from them, then we'll be back over here to knock this building out. Once we knock this building out, we should be good to go. Y'all give us a call when y'all ready to get y'all PPMs done. Let's go.